Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, what's up? My name is Jenny Sapon, and today we're just gonna go straight into the unboxing of the Boxy Charm. And honestly, you guys, I'm kind of like breaking out. I don't know if you can see this. I did schedule an appointment to get retested for like what I'm like allergic to. So hopefully soon, I don't know, like I'm getting really sick and tired of like constantly itching and it's no fun. But sorry for getting off track. You probably didn't need to or want to know that, and you're probably just here for my unboxing Boxy Charm. So let's go ahead and get started. This month's box honestly feels heavier than my January and my December box, so I'm a little excited. All right, so as I open this up, the first thing that I receive is Wander Beauty Getaway Eye and Face Palette. This thing retails for $36. It's your go-to palette for the perfect getaway, featuring 6 highly pigmented shadows, a blush, and a highlighter. I love that. Oh, it feels like the texture of this is actually pretty cool. Here are the 6 shadows, and then the blush and the highlights. So as you can tell, I already have makeup on, but I want to do a few swatches. So I feel like this blush is a little too pink for me, but I'm just gonna go, oh, it feels really smooth. Oh, it's very pigmented. And then this is the highlighter. Oh, I love that. Well, I'm gonna try this shade Yacht right here. Ooh, that's very pretty. And then the next is Chateau. They're all so pigmented. I'm so excited for this. They're all it's very creamy. I've never tried Wander Beauty before actually, so I'm excited to try these out. Like touching these, it's very creamy, so I'm excited. So the next item is the Frank Body Caffeinated Scalp Scrub for all babes and all hair types. It has natural ingredients, it improves scalp health and removes product buildup. That definitely caught my attention at first when it said scalp scrub. It kind of freaked me out a little bit, but once it removes product buildup, it got me a little more interested. The hair is kind of freshly washed though, so I probably won't use this anytime soon. That's what it looks like. I will definitely let you guys know if I like this product or not. This thing retails for $18.95. So the next thing that I got is the Cuticle Oil, which is actually I don't really have I really don't like cuticle oils. Like even when they're like, after I'm done getting a manicure, I'm not the biggest fan of it. I just feel like it's so gross and oily. It smells like roses. I mean, I know that it's oily, but maybe it's because of the fact that like I'm getting my nails done, and you put your hands in like the little UV lights if you pick gel or not, and then they like put this on you, like they rub oil on you, and I don't know if that's like, if it freaks me out. That's why I don't want the oil, but maybe I'll give this a try just because my cuticles are pretty gross. The next thing I received is the Saturday Skin Vitamin C Sleep Mask. This retails for $29. It's supposed to moisturize. It helps with the aging, dullness, pores, stretch. So it helps with this helps with aging, dullness, pores, stress, and texture. I'm excited to try this out because I'm kind of running out of my used to the People sleep mask, and this is actually a lot cheaper. And it has vitamin C as well. So I'm super excited. I've never actually tried anything from Saturday Skin. Look how cute this is. And it has a spatula, you guys. This is amazing. I love things that have like spatulas or anything, because like products that don't have, it just drives me nuts. I hate dipping my fingers into like jars. It smells very citrusy, and this is what it looks like. I'm not sure if it's supposed to look, do you guys see the little, it looks like yellow, like lemon peels. So I'll show you guys, like, can you guys see that? It looks like, I don't know. It smells really good, and it feels really good on the skin. So the last thing that I received in my February Boxy Charm box is a hydrating setting mist by the Beauty, is it the Beauty Crop? Yeah, it's by the Beauty Crop. This thing retails for $14.99, and it's a fine mist that helps set and moisturize your face. This has a delicate amount of gold pearlescent shimmer that imparts a radiant glow while boosting hydration. I'm currently trying out a setting spray right now. I'm trying out the Dragon Beauty one, and so far I'm loving it, you guys. I wore this makeup since like 10. I sat outside for lunch. We went to a restaurant, and it was kind of like sprinkling. And then it got really hot, and my makeup has stayed all day. I'm impressed. I haven't touched it up or anything. Like, I even took a nap. Yeah, so far I'm very impressed with it. But let's go ahead and try this one out. Yes, so you're supposed to shake well and spray onto clean skin, prep or after makeup. Oh, so you can definitely spray this before or after makeup. That's exciting. Okay. Oh, it smells like coconut too. So it kind of sprays fine. Which I will try this out and let you guys know. Obviously, I'm not a big fan of coconut, really, honestly. So I don't know how I will feel about that. So this wraps up my February unboxing Boxy Charm. If you enjoyed watching this, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit subscribe before you leave. And as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.